it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and I thought I would use an AI tool, ChatGPT specifically, to come up with some chord ideas. This happens to coincide with the May and June monthly challenge over on Accordion Love, where I presented you with the challenge of coming up with 3 chords and then coming up with a melody for those chords. I'm going to do that challenge now using the help of a chord generation engine, also known as ChatGPT. And again, how I'm using this is I don't know how to randomly choose 3 chords. I'm going to get the help of ChatGPT to choose those chords for me. And let's explore that together. Give me 3 chords that evoke a feeling of joy, but listeners may not expect those chords. I'm sure there's a nicer way of saying that. I don't know what it's going to answer, but let's see. It's taking its time to think. Maybe my question was worded a little bit strangely. Certainly, here are 3 chords that may evoke a feeling of joy while still providing an unexpected twist. C sharp major, we know how to play that. And it's giving me those notes, C sharp, E sharp, which is really F, and G sharp. This chord is not typically associated with the key of C major, and it's relative minor, okay, making it unexpected but vibrant. C sharp major, there's the next chord, B flat. B flat 7, sharp 11. I've never played this chord. B flat, D, F, A flat. That A flat is the 7 and the E is the sharp 11. This combines the major and minor tonalities, creating a rich, so from the C sharp major. It's given me 3 chords that I would never choose for myself. Wonderful, I'm excited about this. We have a C sharp major, to B flat 7, to D minor. I'm going to loop this and start humming. If you want instructions on how to do this, check out my previous lesson where I present the challenge. So 1, 2, 3. I'm just listening to da 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 da. I played B flats diminished for a second there. Really cool. Again, we'll give more examples, but right away it's taken me out of my creative block. Sometimes I can't come up with chords. I find myself coming back to the same C major, F major, G major, to the same D minor, G minor, A major. I've never played these 3 chords together, and I find that kind of interesting. Let's give it another prompt. Give me 3 chords, please. I feel like I should write, please. Give me 3 chords, please, that evoke a feeling of sadness. Let's see what it does. B minor, G sharp diminished, E major. I really like that chord progression. It's kind of whimsical. I really like that too. Again, ChatGPT is helping me break out of my creative shell a little bit. I could try this by writing down chords and just picking at random, but this is a really nice, helpful tool. I'm still making the melody. I'm still deciding the rhythm, the tempo, how long to hold the chords for, whether it's a tango or a waltz. But again, this is just an idea generating machine. Let's do another prompt. Give me a series of 3 unexpected chords that begin with a G minor. Let's see what it says. G flat, D. Ooh. B flat, D, E. And then, so it's all over the G. And now let's build these. So it's giving me the notes. Do-da-da, do-da-da, do-da-da. I really like it. Again, I get to be fully creative. I'm actually being more creative with the help of this idea generation. It's giving me some prompts. Hey, try these 3 chords that I have never ever chosen before. And I get to be creative with my loop pedal in terms of the rhythm. And then I get to play those chords and I get to choose what it sounds like, right? If I was to play what it gave me, I just plug these in. A little bit boring. But when the human connects with the computer, I think that real magic can happen. Anyways, I hope this helps you a bit with your creativity, with your monthly challenge. Head on over to the Accordion Love forums, where you could see students like yourself, accordion students from around the world, doing this challenge. And if you have any questions about improvisation and how to play this instrument, I'm happy to teach you over on accordionlove.com. There's a free 3-day trial. Thank you.